Dear sisters and brothers in Jesus Christ, last Sunday it was a memorable day because it was a feast in entire Philippines. It's a Santinius feast. So it happened, I went outside for the Mass in the parish of the Immaculate Conception of Mary, the parish. So after the Mass, the people they came to me and then to get the blessing. At that time, one old lady, she was also brought a small statue of the child Jesus. It was looking so old. I thought, is it new? No, Father, it is very old. And then I said, oh, what do you want me to do now? Father, just you bless me, Father. So what you will do, or why do you carry this statue in your hand? I asked. Father, this is the statue. It's not a statue, but this is a real Jesus who gives me a pure heart, and also it cured my sicknesses. Then she started crying. When she was carrying that statue, she said, I feel more productive. This is not the statue, Father. This child Jesus, it teaches me the strong faith in my life. Really, it's really the biggest event that I was thinking on that day. What kind of faith that do I have in my life? Because in today's gospel we can find that many people, a large crowd from different places, they are approaching Jesus only because of the faith. Do I have that strong faith in my life? Because most of the time, whenever I am sick, or when I am depressed, or whenever I am disappointed in my life, or in my work, in everything, whom do I approach? Is it only the ordinary human being, or the real person in our life is the Lord Jesus? Whom do I give more important? And do I have that strong faith which that old lady was having? It's a question mark always in our life. Today, let us ask God's grace to have and to strengthen our faith in all our disabilities, in all our sorrowful events. Ask God's grace to be with us and guide us throughout this day.